All right, Jason here from Septic Tank TV. All right, and in today's short video, I'm going to talk about the fall of pipes to and from a septic tank. So what angle should the pipe be from the house going into the septic tank? How deep should the pipes be below the grass, right? Well, this video will answer those questions for you. Okay, so here you've got an onion-shaped septic tank. And you can see the incline and the slope on the pipe heading towards the inlet of the onion-shaped septic tank. Now let me give you a different angle. All right. Now it may not look too bad here, but when we start to look at it from a different angle, you can see that it's quite a severe slope. Now you've got two different colours there on the screen. The dark brown is the topsoil, and then the kind of yellowy colour is the clay. Now, at this particular point, you may be saying, well, what's the problem? Well, let me give you another angle of this. Now, when we look at it from here, you can see that the outlet pipe on the septic tank is starting to go into the clay. Now, that becomes a problem because when you start to put your soakaway in, the soakaway obviously has to be lower than the outlet pipe of the septic tank. And so now you can see, the extent of the problem by having to go deep very quickly with the fall of the pipe. So if I give you a different shot at this, there you go. You can see it's ridiculous now. The depth of the soakaway is literally 10 foot below the grass. So no, it's no wonder that onion-shaped septic tanks and soakaways develop problems very, very quickly. So the reason I'm showing you this is because not only do I hate onion tanks for this reason, there's lots of other reasons as well. It's, no wonder people struggle putting them in. But this is a traditional way. Let me show you a better way. So as you can see, we've got two pipes here. Now the bottom pipe is the pipe that went to the onion tank. Now the top pipe here is going to a modern septic tank. So let me give you a different angle at this to show how much higher up these modern septic tanks, have to have the pipe. They're very, very shallow. So this is what we call a bullet-shaped septic tank. They're very, very shallow, and you literally need about 1 in 200 fall, which is basically 2 mil for every foot. Now, the benefit of this is not only is the tank very shallow and easy to put in, but when you actually put the septic tank and the soakaway in, you can see that they're in the topsoil. So because they're in the topsoil, the liquid is going to drain away naturally. It's going to drain away easily. It's going to drain away nicely. So look at that. Look how shallow that is. Look how shallow that is. Right. So let me give you a comparison now between the onion tank and the bullet-shaped septic tank. When you put the two of them side by side, you can see that the bullet-shaped septic tank is like 7-8 feet higher up than the traditional herringbone soakaway. That's way, way down in the clay there. So if I come at a different angle on this, there you go. There's a different angle for you. There you go. So that puts it in context. That puts it in perspective. So for me, this is why, I prefer any day the bullet-shaped septic tanks over the onion-shaped septic tanks. Not only are they easier to install, they're cheaper to buy, they're cheaper to install, but problem-wise, you don't get the same problems that you do with the onion tanks and those traditional herringbone soakaways because the soakaway's in the topsoil. And yes, so coming back to the original reason I did this video, when we look at height of the incline, the fall of the pipe coming into either tank, you can see for me why I prefer the bullet-shaped septic tank anytime, any day over the onion one. All right, because those kind of falls are unnecessary. So if you're going to put a bullet-shaped system in, then you only need, as I said, a fall 1 in 200. If you'd like to know more about these bullet-shaped septic tanks and the soakaway kits and how to install them, have a look at this. Where can you find a septic tank and soakaway that's easy to install and will save you thousands of pounds in installation and purchase costs? Have a look at this. Imagine a septic tank and soakaway kit that you or your builder could easily install in just 3 hours. A kit that came with all the pipes, the tank, an inspection chamber and the soakaway. It's called the Septic Tank and Soakaway Kit, and it's really easy to install. First, just dig a trench, then dig a shallow hole in which to put the septic tank. Once you've done that, dig another hole for the inspection chamber and another one for the crates. Then just place the pipe in the trench, the tank in the hole, and then place the inspection chamber on the outlet side of the septic tank, and then place the membrane into the hole. Then all you need to do is put the crates on top of the membrane. Take you a few minutes, they simply just clip together. Then connect the pipe from the inspection chamber into the crates and cover over with membrane. Job done. It really is as easy as that. Then just cover everything over with soil, and then you can seed it or turf it. Job done. So what are you getting with this amazing septic tank and soakaway kit? Well, you're getting 15 meters of orange underground pipe with the connectors molded onto them. You're getting the amazing bullet shallow dig septic tank that requires no concreting. You're getting a German inspection chamber, and you're getting the amazing septic tank soakaway crates, plus you're getting the free membrane worth £100 that comes with them. So if you're looking for a septic tank and soakaway that's easy to install, that's fully compliant with UK building regs, and comes with free membrane, comes with a German inspection chamber, and can be installed in just under 3 hours, then the septic tank and soakaway kit is for you. For more information, just click the link below this video or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.